Welcome back to another Immortal review in the Mini JP channel. On today's episode, JP visits Wild West Motorplex and finds a dream bike, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100.
Well, hello there in YouTube land and welcome back to the channel. And today we're checking out a machine that's been called a beast, a Streetfighter legend, and one of the most soulful V4s on the market. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4, Standard Edition. Not the factory, not the track-ready Prince, the people's Tuono. Let's get into it. First up, the heart. We're working with a 1,099 cubic centimeter, 65-degree V4 that's been brought closer than ever to the RSV4 Superbike. It puts down 180 horsepower at 11,800 RPM and 89 pound-feet of torque at 9,600. Yeah, she screams at the top end, but don't get it twisted. This V4 is all about refinement and balance. It's not the fastest on paper, but it feels magic when you twist that throttle. And it still sings like an Italian opera at full clip. Transmission's a 6-speed with a buttery up and down quick shifter, so you're never second guessing your timing. And check this out. The electronics package is deep. You got cornering ABS, 8 levels of traction control, engine braking adjustments, 3 riding modes, and a new for 2025 wheelie control system that's smarter than most people I know. Now for handling, and this is where the Tuono earns respect. The base model doesn't come with the factory's Öhlins semi-active suspension, but don't sleep on it. You still get fully adjustable Sachs units front and rear, 43mm forks and a monoshock out back, tuned for fast road use. Brembo stoppers all around, dual 330mm discs up front, 211 kilos wet weight, and yes, new winglets this year. Do they help? A little. Do they look cool? Absolutely. Especially in this scorpion yellow scheme. Aprilia didn't just throw performance at this thing. The new bodywork and airflow design are focused on rider comfort, better wind protection, redesigned side panels to move heat away from your legs, and a relocated catalytic converter to keep your thighs from roasting at red lights. Add in stronger radiator fans, and a new, sharper tail section. And you've got a bike that's both functional and freaking mean looking. The 5-inch TFT dash is the same size as last year, but gets new graphics, and all the switchgear is backlit. It's clean, easy to read, and packed with options. You've got all the toys you need, and nothing you don't. Unless you go factory, you won't get launch control or corner-by-corner tuning packs. But do you really need GPS-based suspension tweaks for your Sunday blast? So here's the reel. The 2025 Tuono V4 is still a damn icon. It may not outpunch the Ducati Streetfighter V4, but it's smoother, more soulful, and a hell of a lot more approachable. Depending on the final price, it might just hit that sweet spot between savage and sensible. If you want RSV4 DNA without the clip-ons, this is your bike. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you go Tuono V4, or are you all in on the Streetfighter hype? Well, that is it for today's video, guys. Remember, if you like the videos, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it with all your friends. If you don't like the videos, well, share it with all your enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one.